I have some books. These books are mine. Those books are mine. And I have a book. How do you say those in Mandarin Chinese? Hello, 你好，我是 Katrina, the founder and the teacher of SMART Mandarin, guiding you from zero beginner to a confident speaker. You can subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell to be notified when I have new video lessons every week. And also follow me on Instagram. I post mini video lessons for your listening training every week. Now, let's begin the class. How do you say some, these, those in Mandarin Chinese? Let's start with the first one. If you want to say some, Mandarin would say 一些, 一些. Remember, you put noun after 一些. For example, some books, you would say 一些书, 一些书, 一些书. So if I want to say I have some books, that would be 我有一些书. I have some books. 我有一些书. And if I want to extend the sentence, I could say I have some Chinese books. That would be 我有一些中文书. 我有一些中文书. Gosh, those are heavy. Okay, 我有一些中文书. Okay, how about these? Okay, so that would be 这些, 这些. You know, 这 meaning this, right? 些 is coming from the previous vocab 一些. So 这些 means these. So 这些书, 这些书. These books. 这些书. These books are mine. 这些书是我的。这些书是我的。这些书是我的。So this is how you use these. So how about those? Those in Mandarin is 那些。那些。那 meaning that. 那些 those. 那些书。Now I'm using the same noun as my example. 那些书. Alright, so I can say 那些中文书是我的. Those Chinese books are mine. 那些中文书是我的. Alright, so now you learn how to say some, 一些, these, 这些, and those, 那些. Remember that's four tone. 那些 and you plus a noun, right? How about which ones? Okay, in Mandarin that would be 哪些哪些哪些哪 third tone meaning which. 些 is some, so it literally means which some. Okay, 哪些, so which ones? 哪些 How do we use the sentence? 哪些书是你的 So, I have a lot of books here. 我有一些书 I have some books here. And I want to ask which ones are yours? Okay, so I could say 哪些书 Which ones? 是你的 are yours. 哪些书是你的？哪些书是你的？ So, I have 4 books here, and I ask which ones are yours. Maybe 2 of them are yours, or 3 of them are yours, right? So, 哪些书是你的？ Okay, in this case, you can say 这些书都是我的。 Okay, what does that mean? 这些书 these books. right? 这些 and you plus noun, right? 这些书都 meaning all. I think I have a video talking about how to say all in Mandarin Chinese. Okay, I'll put the information up there or down there. Okay, so 这些书 these books 都是 all are 都是我的 my 这些书都是我的 And how about if you want to say none of the books here are mine, okay? None of them are mine. So you could say 这些书都不是我的这些书 these books 这些书都 all 不是 not 都不是 they are all not 我的 my 这些书都不是我的 So what if you want to say this book is mine just this one is mine Okay, this one book is mine So in Mandarin we would say 这本书是我的本 is the measure word for books, right? 这本 this 书 is book. So it literally means that this measure word noun, the book. 这本书是我的 So if you want to say this one in Mandarin, we would say 这 plus measure word plus the noun. So the noun is 书 and then your measure word is 本。这本书 So this one book. Okay, 这本书是我的。You might be saying, wait, can I say 这个? Only when you don't know what is the measure word for the object, you use 个. Or the object's measure word is 个, and then you use 个. So yes, you can say 这个, but it's not professional. Okay, so this one, you have to use 这 and measure word and noun. In this case is 这本书, this book. How about that book? I guess you might have something in your mind. That's right. You say 那 plus measure word plus the noun. So in this case is 那本书那本书 Okay, so that one, how do you say that one in Mandarin? So you simply put 那 and measure word and the noun. So in this case, again, 那本书 So if you want to say that book is mine, you would say 那本书是我的那本书是我的 Alright, so what if I want to say which one, not which ones, okay, singular, which one book of these, which one is yours? That would be 哪本书哪 meaning which, remember? 哪本 meaning which one, which book in this case. So 哪本书是你的 which one is yours? 哪本 which one book 哪本书是你的 is yours. If you want to ask which one, you simply put 哪 and measure word and the noun. 哪本书 in this case. This video, I just want to show you how important it is to use vocabulary correctly with its grammar. And a lot of people, they just take the vocabulary and check the English translation without knowing how to use the vocabulary, which is awful. For example, if you use 这个 and the translation is this one. And then you see another Chinese which says 这杯 and then the translation is also this one. You will be confused. So knowing how to use the vocabulary in a sentence is very crucial. And if you want to learn deeper of all the vocabulary in HSK1 level and learn how to use them, you can check out my HSK1 Absolute Beginners course. The link is also down below. I use the exact same method when teaching vocabulary, grammar to beginner of Mandarin Chinese. Thank you for watching this video lesson, and I hope you have a great day, and I'll catch you in the next episode. 谢谢你们，再见。